Welcome to the We Create Reality Vision Board app for Android. When you first open up the app, what you'll see is your vision. Here we have a vision page with an image background, and it switches every few seconds. The first thing I want to show you is how to change how often it switches. You go into the settings through the menu item, and you can change your play delay preference anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. You can also change how images are fit onto your screen. In this case, you see that it was stretched to fill the entire screen, and it might distort the image somewhat depending on whether you're in portrait or landscape mode, which both work with this app. You can also choose the fit option, which maintains the integrity of your image, and you can see the entire image. However, you may have some black space depending on the shape of the image compared to the proportions of your screen. If you'd like to have your screen filled and you don't mind having some of your image cropped off, you can choose the crop option. This is actually my personal favorite. It fills the screen, it maintains the proportion of the image, and it crops off any excess that goes outside the screen. So you can see here that it looks a little different than the previous version. Now, if you want to cycle through your visions a little more quickly, you don't want to wait so long, you can do swipes across the screen with your finger, or you can come into menu, choose previous or the next option, and that will pop you right into the next vision in this cycle. Now you can edit your vision board either by choosing edit from the menu, or click the back button to get back there, or you can just tap on the screen. That will take you right into your vision board editor. What you see here is a list of your visions in the order of occurrence. The title is something that you have to go in and enter yourself. You see that there's some different colors and fonts. This is previewing the color and font that's been chosen for this vision page. And an image background, if that has been selected, will be previewed right there. Now to edit this list, you can do a long press on any item. Bring up this context menu, which allows you to either edit, insert, delete, move up or move down, whatever you wanted to do with that. If you just want to edit the vision, you can just click on the title. That will bring up our vision page editor. You can change that title that you saw there using your keyboard. You can also choose a sound clip from our library of sound clips. You can toggle it on or off using the toggle button. Click select sound. This brings up the list of sounds from our online library that we put together for you. This may take a moment to load the first time that you look at it. Now you can preview each sound by clicking preview button, and this will download the sound clip from our online library and play it for you. And once you've picked a sound that you like, click select, and that will download it and put it into your vision page. Now again, you can choose to have an image background for your vision. You can turn that on or off using this toggle. Here's a little preview of the image. You can select from our online library of images. Again, you can click preview if you want to see what it looks like before you select it. You go into the standard viewer here. And once you like what you see, you can click select, and that will download the image if necessary. These are all stored on your SD card if you have one, which I recommend. You can also select from our high resolution, high def image gallery that we have online. These images, of course, will take more space and also take longer to download, but they'll look better. You can select from your own personal gallery of pics that you may have taken with your camera or put on your SD card. You can put icons. Now you can put an icon in each of the four corners of your image. Toggle which ones you like. You can have as many as 4 of them. And again, you select from our online library. You can preview each icon. These are just small little touches that you can put on your vision to make yourself feel happy. Once you select the one that you like, it'll download. You can see it right here. And like I said, you can have as many as 4 of them, 1 in each corner. Click the back button to get back. If you want some text on your vision, you want to say something inspiring, you can tap right here is where you put your text in and type with your keyboard. You can select a quote from our online library of quotes. Again, these take a little while to download the first time. You can preview the quote, and there's a credit down here. Now, with quotes, you can't actually edit the quote. We'll let you download it and show it on your Vision, but we don't really want any copyright problems. Here's a preview of the quote. Now you can change the color of your text using this lovely color picker here. And you can also change, if you don't want an image for your background, you can actually set a background color, again, using this picker. And you get a preview down here of what that looks like. I don't know if I'd recommend those colors, but it's good for an example. You have 4 fonts here that you can choose from. Chantilly Antiqua is a very nice one. You also have 3 different font sizes, so if you have a very short quote, you might want to use the large size. And if you have a very long quote, you may want to use the small size. In this case, I think medium will do just fine. So that concludes our discussion of the edit page. When you're done, click the back button. I recommend that after you've done a fair bit of editing like that, you click the menu button here and do a save to save it away to your phone. That should save in perpetuity. Now, if you want to go and preview your new vision, click the back button here, and here you can see what I just built. Boy, those interesting colors. But you get the general idea. Here's our little icon in the lower left corner, just like we picked. And like I said before, you can cycle through them quickly if you want to. Now, there are a few other things you can get to through the menu. You can load the sample vision if you want to restore yourself. And when you first open this app up, when you first get it, that may be the first thing you want to do is load a sample. Either that or click on edit to create your first vision page. There are some other options. You can go to the help page where we have an extensive tutorial on how to use this app, much like what you're getting from this video demo. We also have an about page where you can watch this YouTube demo again. If you like this app, we'd love you to come and write us a nice review. 5 stars is always nice. You can contact us at support visionboard@laughingplaceapps.com. Clicking on this button will allow you to send us an email with your comments or suggestions or bug reports. Laughingplaceapps.com is the builder of this app and many others. We create reality coaching apps as a website that worked in conjunction with us to build this app for you. That concludes our video demo. We hope you enjoy our Vision Board app.